ready to transform your life into a visual masterpiece. Let's dive into how you can track and celebrate your personal growth using Notion. First, create a new Notion page and name it My Life Progress. Add a callout box as a guide for future progress steps. Next, create a new database. This will be the heart of your life progress system. Add columns for goal, category like health, career, or relationships, start date, due date, status electing to do, in progress, completed, or blocked, and a progress property. Format it as a percentage. To automatically calculate progress within each goal, create a linked database of tasks. Then, use a formula property in the main database to calculate progress based on the number of completed tasks. Now, let's track daily habits. Set up a new database with columns for habit, and then date columns for each day of the week. Use checkboxes to track your daily completion of each habit. Visualize your progress with a calendar view, showing scheduled tasks, deadlines, and reflection prompts. This helps you stay on track and see the bigger picture. Regularly reflect on your journey. Create dedicated reflection pages with prompts like what went well this week, what could I improve, and what am I grateful for. And there you have it, a powerful Notion system to track your life's journey, celebrate your wins, and stay motivated on your path to personal growth.